Welcome back, everyone. It's time to dive in and open up some Mermicornos. These are the Tokidoki Mermicornos Starfalls. Here's the ones you can get. I'm hoping for Astro, Gwen, Squishella, Valentina, or Sunsprite. So let's open it up and see who we get. These are in here pretty well. There we go. Oh, I don't remember her name already. Sunsprite. Oh, she's pretty. I think that's Sunsprite, right? No, it's not Sunsprite. It's Nautique. Nautique. He's adorable. And it looks like they come with a little stand. There we go. All right, let's open up our next one and see who we get. This one's Sunsprite. Okay. She is pretty. All right. The detail on these is pretty good for being little figures, but this one has a little smudge on her face. Oh, I got it off. There's Sunsprite. Love the rainbow tail she got going on. All right, time to open up our third one. Oh, it's another Nautique. I won't open him up. Oh, he fell over. All right, our last one. Can we not get a duplicate? Oh, it's a different one. It looks like... Ooh, it's pretty. Who is this one? This one is... Riptide, I think. Is it Riptide? Let's see. Oh, he looks cool. Oops, almost threw away his base. Here he is. So one duplicate, not too bad. I definitely think I'll be getting more of these because I'd like to try to collect the ones that I didn't get. So we're still looking for Astro, Gwen, Valentina, and Squishella. So be sure to tune in next time to see who we can get in our next blind bag opening. Be sure to like and subscribe. Till next time, see ya.